There he goes. There he goes. There he goes. He's climbing on Mount Joel. Is it Rocky? Go ahead, keep going. You hurt your chest? Is Grandpa lumpy?
Yeah. And he's big.
And he's big.
Look.
There he is. Good job.
Really good.
Oh, Aaron, don't do that. Aaron, that wasn't nice.
Already doing that.
Yeah, now you see how it feels. Do you need Mom's cane?
I'm gonna see if I can hook a pair of legs.
No, don't do that. He'll fall.
Alright.
We're gonna put the big picture here.
She had to write 2 sets of sub-plans.
Aaron.
What?
Where are you gonna put this big picture?
I don't know.
What was over your left?